Hello social netizens, welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is what we do here, vlogs and fashion sometimes, and sometimes we do mental health. But today we are doing a vlog slash room tour, house tour in this very nice Airbnb. I spent the night in, it's in section 8 in Nakuru town, right before you get to Nakuru. That is if you're coming to Nairobi, or that Nakuru Nairobi highway road, whatever. Anyway, so in this kitchen, let me turn my camera. So this is the kitchen. Oh my goodness, I almost said kitchen. Yeah, so as you can see, the fridge, microwave, I don't know what's here. Oh, gas, I think. Cooker. And that part, I didn't cook anything because I came with my fries. And then we have the bathroom over here. I didn't use this one either. So this is a 2-bedroom house, and yeah, so here we have 2 beds, as you can see. And I'm loving this pattern over here. And that's the closet, the mirror, and that is my outfit of the day. I'm going to put on a black jacket. I don't know why my phone is freezing. Yeah. So this is one of the bedrooms. And this is the bedroom I spent the night with. I spent the night in. Yeah, those are my stuff. And the bathroom, and it has a, what do you call it, hot shower. And that is my jacket. So I am standing by the door, the main door. So this is the main room, living or sitting room area, whatever you want to call it. Then there's that chest of drawers, same pattern we had in the bedroom. And then there's that TV, although I didn't watch it. And this right here is my breakfast. They don't serve breakfast though. I just happened to be very lucky. So yeah, this is my breakfast. For this, I don't even know what they have put in here, but this is white tea, some water because I don't take a lot of milk. So majani chai, chocolate I believe. And let's see what's here. Oh, there is, what do you call it, toasted bread. Of course, there is a fruit and a banana. And there is ngwashi. So yeah, that sums up my breakfast. Breakfast was amazing. I am convinced That's what was in that bread, in that toasted bread was minced chicken, and it was delicious. I didn't eat my fruits because I didn't want to get heartburn, and I don't know why people insist on eating fruits after they eat, you know, after they take their breakfast or whatever meal, because that fruit does not help you in any way. That fruit ends up fermenting, and that's why you get stomach upsets and heartburn mostly. So I think the best idea when you're presented with fruits in food, I think the best idea is, well, you can start with a fruit, but just don't eat your fruit after you're done eating your meal, because that fruit ends up fermenting and it does not help your body at all. So thank you for coming to this food TED talk. Anyway, I am done, so I should be heading out to Nakuru town to start and finish my mission of the day. See you around. I don't know whether I'll be doing another vlog, Nakuru town vlog or not. So if I don't, I think that is the end of this video. And thank you so much for subscribing, especially the new subscribers. Please leave a comment below and tell a friend and share, and of course like, because when you like and share and comment, it helps my channel a lot. So thank you everyone for coming here. Bye.